All right, Steve, we got your 2025 Chevy Tahoe here, 6.2 in it. What's going on under the hood?
So we're gonna show you how to check the coolant level, and here's our coolant level right here. It's right up to snuff. Now there's no more radiator cap on the radiator. Here's the radiator, and it goes all the way across here. And this is technically a radiator cap, which is the surge tank. So this is the cap. If you have the pressure test coolant system, it would be through here. So that's your coolant level.
And it should be like a low and a high mark,
Yeah,
right?
it's got an arrow right there.
The light's kind of washing it out.
Oh, okay.
See, that's okay.
You see it there?
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
kind of
it's
see it.
got the arrow right here where the rib is. That's where the level should be.
Yep.
So it's just above that.
And then the upper level is when the engine gets hot.
This is the upper level.
Right,
here.
I can see that.
Yeah.
So the motor's cool right now, so we're right on.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're right on.
So when the engine gets hot,
it will rise.
It'll rise.
Yeah. And then we've got this line over here is coming from the radiator. You know, this is the surge. So when it gets, if it would ever get low, it would draw from this.
Hey Steve, so let's check the brake fluid level on your truck. And where's this hiding out?
It's over here. Here's the brake fluid level right here.
Yep.
And you can see the level mark is right where the rib is as well. And that is up to snuff. You can see it there. You can see the yellow fluid in it. So that's right up there. It's just about an inch or so below the cap.
Okay.
So that's full. And there is a mark right here that it says max on the back where my finger is.
And if you needed to add more brake fluid in, you would just take the cap off here, add a little bit in, and bring it up to the proper level. And just put the cap back on when you're done. And that's all you would need to do.
Washer fluid's right here. Here's the cap. You can look down. You can see the fluid.
Yep. Yeah, you get some in there.
Yeah. So
all you need to do is pour some in and bring it up to level, probably like around there. And you'd kind of be good to go with that one.
And we've got the oil dipstick over here. And you can pull this out, and we're going to wipe it off, and we'll put it back in.
It's a long dipstick.
Yeah. Oil level's right in the middle.
Yep.
It's our first oil change. Ooh-wee. Just got about nearly 5,000 on it. It takes 8 quarts of oil with the filter. So, yeah, we're going to change the oil today for the first time.
And if you had to bring the oil level up, here is the cap.
Cap's on this side over here.
Is it? Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
So it's hiding out on the driver's side.
Yeah, and you just twist the cap. And these take 0.20 motor oil. It says right here on the cap, 0.20.
Yep.
We're going to leave this off because we're doing the oil change.
But typically you would put the funnel in there, get a quart of oil, slowly add it in. You know, check your marking on your dipstick as it comes up. It's easier to add a little more than to take some out, so, you know?
Yeah,
so add a little until you get up to the proper level on your dipstick and make sure you're within range. And that's how you would check the oil level fluid on your Chevy Tahoe. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any comments, leave a question and I will reply back to you.